is Rachel Rothstein, and I'm a fabric buyer in Patagonia's production department. I had the opportunity to visit Taiwan and meet some of our fabric vendors. Everest Textiles was one of the stops. Though Everest is a fairly young company, founded in 1988, it's currently the only vertically integrated textile company in Taiwan. They can do everything from yarn spinning and twisting through weaving, dyeing, finishing, printing, coating, and laminating. They've also undertaken some interesting environmental initiatives, large and small. On many of their factory grounds, they've planted a lush green landscape between buildings instead of the usual concrete. They also provide on-site housing for their workers. Though they didn't talk a lot about their environmental initiatives, while I was at Everest, I've come to learn more about them. One is a program to incorporate the 7R sustainability model: reuse, reduce, rethink, redesign, recover, repair into their daily work. They maintain multiple recycling cans for paper, plastics, and glass. They've set up solar outdoor lighting at some of their factories. The lunchroom provides reusable chopsticks for all employees. To avoid the use of disposable cups and glasses, employees are provided easy carry versions made from recycled materials. After hearing about some of Everest's environmental programs, we headed out to the factory for our tour. It's impressive to see an airjet loom weave the yarn. The shuttle moves too quickly back and forth for the eye to trace its movements. And environmental standards extend to more than reusable cups and chopsticks. All the auxiliary chemicals and dyestuffs are carefully controlled, minimizing employee exposure during production. Everest recycles the PVA, polyvinyl alcohol, used as the sizing for warp yarns. The use of a jet dyeing machine with 2 tubes saves water, chemicals, and energy. One thing we noticed when we toured the lamination area was the smell. We noticed the workers weren't wearing masks, and we asked why not. We were told that during the monsoon season, the workers found them too uncomfortable to wear. This is a problem that needs to be addressed. Many fabrics are dried on stenter frames and are basically baked. Everest has found that it saves energy by using a dryer to remove excess water. Patagonia is now asking all of its vendors to go through a screening process initiated by Blue Sign Technologies of Switzerland called the Blue Sign Standard for Environmental Health and Safety. Everest was quick to sign on. As part of the process, Blue Sign works with managers to help clarify environmental issues and the work that needs to be done. The process includes a careful factory inspection, including wastewater, which is treated for various contaminants before it is released. As I left Taiwan, I realized how much I had learned. It will be interesting to see what changes and improvements Everest implements by the time I take my next visit.